It's time for another edition of Kids Can, and we have Gilby. Where's Gilby? There he is. And today we have a new friend. We have Asher. And they, all right, Asher and Gilby are gonna build a steam train for y'all. Here they go.
You have to help.
Oh, get out the pieces. The tender to the engine to make it go. And I gotta remember how to. Oh, there it is. And then you can just kind of gently back them into each other, and they couple like that. That's just going crazy over there.
Dude, that's all the pieces.
All right, we got them all. Do we have our flatbed? Where's our flatbed?
It's like wait.
Well, we got to turn it on first. It'll be just a second. Sure, do we not have the flat? Oh, what's in there? Oh, we got a princess. Are we gonna take a princess for a ride on our train?
It's backwards.
Yeah.
No.
It goes backwards and forwards.
And what is this button do?
Oh, let's wait and find out. What do you think it does? What do trains do?
Noise.
They make noise. What kind of noises do trains make?
Chugga,
Yeah.
chimney. What's this?
That one makes it stop. What? Yeah.
Freeze.
Freeze.
That's
Can you
funny.
be? Yeah, it is funny. All right, so we got our big train. Now we got to build our track. So they have little. They just slide right together.
I got it.
Good job, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, they're pretty easy to go together, but a little tricky. You gotta pinch it a little bit. Real hard. Oh, we got it. I think that's one side. Got some curves together. Well, we got to turn it on. All right, Esther, help me count and see how many pieces we have. So if anybody ever gets this train track, they know how many go on each side. So let's count our straights.
Look.
Oh, is it? Yeah, sometimes it kind of pops itself apart. There we go. All right, Gilby, will you help me? How many we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4 straights.
And
then we got a whole bunch of curves. Let's see how many curves we have.
I have to jump on this thing.
It is
an oval.
It is an oval, yeah.
You need a shape.
It is. Let's see how many curves we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 curves. So you need 4 straights on each side and 6 curves on the end. All right, Asher, you ready to show Gilby how to put the train on the track? All right, now turn it on, Asher. What? So it's the bell. The bell turns it off, and then you can turn it back on. Can you turn it on, Gilby, with the bell?
It doesn't work.
Oh, just a second. We'll fix it on the track. Can you just turn it on? Well, yeah, turn the little bell. Did it turn on?
No, it's not.
You got to turn it. There you go. And then push the button. Oh, how are we going to pick somebody up? Are we going to put them in the boxcar? Yep.
I got a car.
You got a car?
Ah.